Many of you are probably familiar with Moodle as you've taken online classes at ISU before. Others may be new to it because you've never taken an online class or you used a different format, like Blackboard. This short video will cover the absolute basics, focusing mainly on how I use Moodle for this class. The first point to make is that this is how Moodle looks to me right now, months before you watch this video. I'm always fiddling with it, so it will probably look a little bit different to you. I don't do this to make your life miserable. I'm truly trying to make Moodle as useful and as straightforward as possible. Let's look at Moodle starting at the top. You will notice that there are a lot of very handy links hiding out up here. Everyone misses this, even faculty that work in Moodle every day. There are links to the ISU homepage, to the library, to Google Apps. There's a whole section on faculty support for Moodle, and another section for student support. This includes the IT Service Desk, Disability Services, the Student Success Center, which also has the Writing Lab, very handy if you've never used them. They also have a Student Moodle Guide and the great Student Moodle handouts. These guides are short and to the point, so refer to them if you have a question about how to do something on Moodle. Below this is where you see the course-specific information. Look through this first box, especially if you're new to online learning. You're welcome to contact me in any way you want, though I really like the quick mail feature within Moodle. It allows me to filter all my course email into one folder so messages from students don't get missed. The navigation box can be really helpful for moving either between your courses or within your current course. Just jump to the class or the week you need. You can minimize it completely, which helps if you want to keep your screen neat and tidy. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see what you'll need to work on each week. The schedule is split, so some assignments are due on Thursday night and some are due on Sunday night. I hope this will make the process less stressful for all of us. Here you will find links to student services that you should know about. Your student fees pay for a lot of this, so don't hesitate to use any of these services should you need to. At the very bottom are a couple of links for the library technical support. If you are having trouble with any of the library's databases either during this class or any other, feel free to contact either the library technical support in general or Kent in specific. He's usually the one that can figure out anything if it's not working correctly. The center section has the meat of the course. The top section has an open forum for questions. If you can't find something or are confused with an assignment, post your question here. Chances are at least a few others have had the same question. The syllabus book also lives here. This makes it easy to find if you have questions or to check on the schedule. I have collapsed the rest of the course so you don't have to look at a whole semester's worth of assignments all at once, as that can be a bit overwhelming. Though I don't mind if you work a little bit ahead, I will hide the assignments if I'm changing things around or if I feel too many people are zipping through the class. Trust me, you're going to want to take your time once we get a few weeks in. To select the week you want, just click on the link. The top section will always appear, with the week you're working on showing up below. Each week has a list of objectives. These aren't required reading, but feel free to look them over. I then break the week down by what's due on Thursday and what's due on Sunday. I know that posting to the forums can seem like busy work, but this is one of the only ways we can interact with each other in an online-only format. I always enjoy reading through these comments and I post as much as I can. We will break out into groups about 6 weeks in, and then there will be a lot less reading for you. I do want you to respond to at least one of your classmates, as that's about the only way I know you're even reading the posts. You can use the arrow links to move back or forward to the next week, or you can jump to a particular week. In week 2, you'll see that I want you to turn in an assignment. I'm almost always going to prefer that you upload a Word document versus putting it here in the online text. I prefer Word because I can always add my comments, corrections, and other feedback using the markup features within Word. That's about it for the intro to Moodle for this class. Again, look through the Moodle help information or contact me if you have any questions.